You want to find a real human hair factory with the cheapest price and a highest quality of hair and delivery to you straight from the factory? Come to K Hair, one of the best hair vendors all over the world. In the K Hair factory, the products must go through many processes before getting to customer. First, each strand is selected carefully after cut from donors to rule out short and bad quality hairs. Second, all the hair is washed carefully and then made into the wax, tip tape hair extension, wings by skillful hands or qualified worker. Last, all the products go through double check process to ensure all the hair is absolutely perfect. One of the factors that make K Hair differ from other companies is that we have our own special technique. Moreover, the process of cleaning, combing and building of K Hair is totally handmade. The hair which had been through the first step will be separated due to different hairstyle in the step 2, which is producing. For bone straight hair, it will be straightened here with our special machine. The technique in styling straight hair at K Hair can ensure the highest quality of the hair. Here is one example of our curly weft hair. The sewing is performed by a machine with 3 needles to add a strengthened stick to the top of the hair strand, so that the hair is sewn once and then fold over and sew again to prevent the hair from splitting out the seam. Therefore, as you can see, it is very strong and sturdy. With color hair, we provide you with carefully dyed hair that can avoid color smear or fading. Our technique is not only capable of full coverage of gray hairs, but also has a wider range of permanent color shades and more natural looking than temporary dyes. The third step, which is also the final step in our process that I would like to present in our checking products. All of the hair is carefully checked and combed before delivering to our customer.